everyone, I'm Mikey and I'm a brand ambassador for Manic, New York City. It's Pride Month, so today I'm going to show you step by step how to do a Pride inspired hairstyle. This is my model Lou, who has a great undercut that we're going to be working on that I've pre-lightened earlier. There's going to be love in the hair today because I'm going to show you how to do some hair tattooing using our Manic in 6 colors and a pastelizer. The colors included are Electric Pink Pussycat, Electric Banana, Electric Tiger Lily, Electric Lizard, Electric Amethyst, Atomic Turquoise, and Pastelizer to make the colors even brighter if you want. Because the Atomic Turquoise and Electric Amethyst are the darker 2 shades, I've decided to pastelize them to make them match the vibrancy of the other 4 colors. So taking a small amount of Electric Amethyst on your brush, we're going to draw in our love heart. Now we're going to fill the center of the heart with Electric Pink Pussycat. So cute! So I'm going in on a diagonal and we're going to be painting each of the 6 colors in a rainbow sequence. We're painting in the pride. For me, pride is freedom of expression, it's visibility, and having the history of the riots at the Stonewall. It is a stand against homophobia or any kind of discrimination of LGBTQ. And we stand in pride every June wearing our pride colours, and that's what it's all about. It's being who you are and being visible and expressing yourself in any way that you want to. I think Pride is like 365 days a year for me because I'm always colourful. But I do enjoy that there's a whole month allocated to Pride. Doesn't necessarily mean you have to be gay to show your colours. It's allies and people that support the LGBT plus community as well. Once you've painted your pride, we're going to let it process for 30 minutes and rinse it with cold water. Can you see them?
Yeah, they look like little hot eyes. I love the yellow, it's so bright. Oh, yeah, the purple around the heart's really hot.
Yeah, it gives it definition, hey.
Yeah. Oh, that's adorable. Oh my god.
And here it is, our hairstyle painted with pride, with lovely love hearts in the back. You can buy your very own Pride bundle from the Manic website at manicpanic.com and be sure to tag us in all of your Pride creations. Paint with pride, diehards!